Hey, hello guys, good morning. How are you all? I hope you guys are doing good. In this video, I'll be talking about on-premises infrastructure. Before I talk about on-premise infrastructure, just I want to give you the meaning of premises and infrastructure. Then you will be able to understand what is meant by on-premises infrastructure. In terms of cloud computing, infrastructure in the sense computers, servers, memory, CPU, powering systems, backup systems, cooling systems, everything comes under infrastructure. Okay. Now let me tell you the meaning of premises. What are premises? What is meant by premises? Here, premises are nothing but the buildings of a company or organization are called premises. Okay. The buildings of a company or organization are called premises. Whatever the computers, servers, storage we install inside the buildings of an organization are called on-premises infrastructure. Let me tell you one more time. Whatever the computers, servers, storage we install inside the buildings of an organization are called on-premises infrastructure. Okay. Now, what's the point of using on-premises infrastructure? Okay, let's consider I have a company. Okay, so in my company there are 100 employees. For each and every employee, they have their own data, like what is their name, what's their spouse name, parents name, these all data, date of birth, what is their salary, everything related to that particular employee is called data, which is sensitive data. Okay, so I have to store these all employees sensitive data inside my organization. So for this purpose I need on-premises infrastructure or on-premises computer servers, everything. Okay, so how about applications, how about softwares which will be used by that company? Obviously I have to install and I have to run that particular application softwares also on that particular infrastructure. Okay, so this is how the things used to be before cloud computing evolved. But after cloud computing has evolved, every company is moving their softwares, their personal and sensitive data to the cloud. The reason is, if you maintain everything on your infrastructure, if any disaster happens means you will lose all of your data. Not only this, but also you have to maintain everything. You have to manage everything. Okay. So let me give an example. Let's consider you have server there, but you know what happened? Suddenly your server crashed, then you have no other option. Okay, because again you have to check, you have to fix it, right? Until then you can't do anything. So there are like lots of disadvantages when you install your softwares and runs on your on-premise infrastructure. So that is the reason people are moving their resources, their softwares to the cloud. Now the cloud provider is completely responsible for it. Even if any servers crashes means he or she responsible for it. Okay, now you do not have to think of anything. Even if there is no proper storage for your application, the cloud provider is responsible for that. Even if there is power outage, then cloud provider is responsible for that. Even if any disaster happens, then cloud provider is responsible for that. Here you have to move your applications, software data to the cloud, then everything will be taken care by the cloud provider itself. Then you have to pay as you go pricing, nothing but you only pay for the number of hours you have used that particular resources. Okay, so if you use it for 1 hour, then you will have to pay for 1 hour. In cloud computing, the cloud providers are providing per second billing, per minute billing, even per hour billing, everything is available there, and they are giving you lot of discounts as well. If you commit yourself to some plans, if you commit yourself for a 1 or 2 year 2 year plan, they will give you like discount of 70%. Everything is available. Okay, so I think you must have understood what is made by on-premises infrastructure, what all are the disadvantages if we go for on-premises infrastructure, what all are the benefits we get when we migrate our softwares, our data to the cloud. Thanks for watching this video.